Hello everyone, this is Pankaj front of you, and now I am going to starting our very most and interested subject, that is engineering mechanics. In this video, first of all, we want to discuss on introduction of engineering mechanics. So now I start. First of all, I want to discuss that every phenomenon of engineering mechanics we study in this universe. So I want to tell you what is universe and what is their main constitution. So let's me start. That universe is mainly made up of two constitutions, that is matter and second is energy. What is matter? We already know that everything which has open mass and take a space is known as matter, and matter is also classified into two criteria, that is its physical classification and second is chemical classification. According to physical classification, matter are classified into three groups, that is solid, liquid and gas. It is also known as the state of matter. And according to chemical classification, matter are classified into two groups, that is one is pure matter and second is impure matter. Pure matter, all the elements are comes in pure matter, and mixture and compound are comes in impure matter. So all the engineering mechanics is related on physical classification of matter. So first of all, we discuss on our topic physical classification. So in this classification, first is solid, second is liquid and third is gas. So we know that the study about solid is known as engineering mechanics, and a study about liquid and gas is known as fluid mechanics. Okay. Now we will discuss about mainly in this subject is engineering mechanics, that is phenomenon related to solid. So solid, we have already discussed on solid. It has fixed volume, okay. Solid has fixed volume and fixed mass. Sorry, mass nahi, shape. In this session, we will study about solid and effect of force. Solid and effect of forces. When we act any force on any solid body, then there are two types of phenomenon happen. First is body may be deformed, and second is body does not deform. On the basis of deformed and non-deformed, body is also classified into two groups, that is rigid body as a solid. So first is rigid body and second is deformable body. All the application of engineering mechanics, we read about rigid body. The rigid body is those body which does not deform under a normal load, such as a stone, bricks, etc. So first of all, I have discussed on rigid body and all the phenomenon which is related to engineering mechanics is our rigid body phenomena. In this session, we will discuss about rigid body, and I hope that this video is more useful for you to knowing that engineering mechanics introduction. Now I will recall this introduction. First of all, I tell you that universe has two constitution, that is matter, and second is energy. Further, matter is also classified into two groups: physical classification and chemical classification. According to physical classification, matter is also classified into three groups, that is solid, liquid, and gas. A study of solid is we study in engineering mechanics, and a study of liquid and gas we study in fluid mechanics. And chemical classification, it is not important in engineering mechanics. We only study about the physical property of matter. Then after, I will discuss on solid and effect of force. There are two types of effect happen when any force acting on the body, that is body may be deformed and body may not be deformed. According to this phenomenon, body is classified into two groups, that is rigid body and second is deformable body. The body which does not change its dimension after a normal load, that body is known as deformable body, such as stone, bricks, concrete, etc. And deformable body, it is known that there is no any matter which found in this universe is rigid, but it is only our mentally that body is rigid. So I think that this video is more complicated and more useful for those students who are preparing the first year diploma, and this is most important and it is very complicated subject. All the branches except the computer science, all the branches are complicated in engineering mechanics. Okay, now